If you are working in a company and they want to sack you, or they sack you, if you are using this assignment, believe me, they are going to call you back by the grace of Almighty God.
Alawalu, Alakiru, Asohiru, Abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Tiwa ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀ èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ.
In today's video, I want to explain how to use three materials. When you are using these assignments, believe me, if you have faith and your faith is very strong, believe me, opportunity will knock at your door. You see, this assignment is very, very powerful. Even if you are working in a company, I'm just using that as an example. If you are working in a company and they want to sack you, or they sack you, if you are using this assignment, believe me, they are going to call you back by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. Believe me. Are you with me? In the Yoruba language, this particular assignment is called Anu. Ishe Anu. To be faithful everywhere you go. People will like you. Are you with me? And if you have misunderstanding with someone, whenever you are using this assignment, both of you are going to reconnect or reconcile. You understand? If anyone did something bad against you, he or she is coming back to confess. You understand? It's not that this thing is going to push them. You understand? It's not that this is going to push them to do rubbish with you. You understand what I'm saying? But they will, each time they set their eyes on you, they will just like you naturally. You understand? You understand? This one is very, very powerful. It's a combination of a natural thing created by Almighty God. Are you with me? So it's very simple and very, very effective. So what are the materials you need for this wonderful assignment? The first one is what they call albosa ilewe. In English language, we call it a spring onion. The second one is ewe imiesu. I think you can see the image of ewe imiesu displayed on the screen and the English name of that ewe imiesu. You know ewe imiesu, when you plug it, you must use it together with the roots. Are you with me? And the third one, the last one, is one bunch of alligator pepper. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Winje. If this is your first time here, everything I do is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552. So in today's video, I want to explain how to use those three materials. The three materials, those three materials for favor, you understand? And this assignment, I told you, it works in different way. Are you with me? It's very simple. At least if you want to do it, you cannot spend up to, let me say, 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. Are you with me? So the first material you need is spring onion, and the second one is emiesu leaf and the roots. You are not going to cut the roots, and one bunch of alligator pepper. One bunch of alligator pepper. If you are in a group where maybe they don't like you, they just hate you for no reason. Are you with me? Whenever you are using this assignment, you will see how they are going to change with you. Are you with me? Even if they sack you in a company, you are using this assignment, they are going to call you back by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. Are you with me? If you have misunderstanding with someone, whenever you are using this, they are coming back to reconcile with you. Believe me. They are coming back to reconcile with you. And as a wife, if you always have a problem, quarreling, fighting with your husband, whenever you are using this, everything is going to be settled. And husband, if you always have misunderstanding with your wife, you understand, whenever you are using this assignment, everything is going to be all right by the grace of Almighty God. So what you need is those materials. So what are you going to do with these materials? You put them in a pot or a local pot. You add one bunch of alligator pepper to it. So when you add it to it, you burn it to ashes. If I ask you to burn something to ashes, I didn't mean that you are going to burn it to white ashes. You understand? When you notice that the materials are burned to black, you understand? That's all. That is okay. You understand? You are not going to leave those material till it's burnt to white, because when it's burnt to white, it's not useful again. You understand? So after that, you grind it to a powder. When you grind it to a powder, you put it in either bottle or plastic rubber. Are you with me? So in the morning before you go out, you can only use water to drink it. You put like one spoon of this powder, you put it in your mouth and use water to drink it. That's all. That is what you need. You keep using it every day. Keep using it every day. By the grace of Almighty God, you will see how things will change for good. By the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow this instruction. Even at the end of this written, they said that which means that when they give you sack letters, they sack you from a particular company. So when you are using this assignment, they will call you back. Don't just look that because of these simple materials. There is a power in nature. There is a power in nature. So when you combine them together and you are using it with ordinary water, believe me, they are going to call you back by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow this simple instruction. So if you have any question to ask me, please feel free to call me or to message me on WhatsApp.
alakiru asọhiru abatinu ọlọ́run ọba ìwọ ló pamọ́ ìwọ ló fara jáde.